Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I wanted to share with you real quick my Joy with Julie that I got. And I actually think I got this one last month. It's just been a little bit crazier for me to get to all of my box openings lately. So, but you know what? There's never a bad time to share Joy with Julie. So let's get it open and see what she has inside. I'm always so super excited about these. So you open it up and it looks just like this. And I mean, honestly, guys, if you're not feeling joy just by opening it up and looking at that, then maybe you're too far gone. I don't know. But I mean, these, oh my goodness, it's so cute. It says, she always puts your name like on the top. You see, it's got like the little thing. It's got my name on it. It says, Yvette, be brave, be kind, be a friend. I try. I try. Okay, so right up top, we have this little package that's all hooked together with a little baby clothespin. And look at, she does such a good job. Look at that. Isn't that just, it's so cheerful. I almost hate to have to take it apart, but I will to show you guys everything. The first little bag that we received, and I love how she does this little touch here with the fabric. This is a little piece of fabric that she's put on there. And let's get it open. Oh, so cute. I don't want to tear it, but you have to like, it won't come up without it tearing. Oh, it came up without tearing. Okay, yay. I don't know why I'm so concerned with that. Okay, let's get this. Okay, a little bee popped out, and it's a sticker. Oh my goodness, I could see on the back where it's got a little thing. So this is a little bee sticker. And there's a little thank you card. So I could just see how you can give someone this lovely little thank you card. And then when you put that inside, you'd seal it with the little bee. Isn't that cute? And like the back has got like the bee honeycombs on it. That's so cute. Okay, so that's what was in the first little bag. Let me put it back in there. And then the second little bag. Again, you guys, look at the fabric. So cute. Okay. It's like having a little present. Oh, it's the washi. Oh my goodness. And I love her washi, you guys. Her washi is a little different. Her washi is super strong. So, you know, if you love washi as much as I do, that the ones that come in the regular roll, they're great. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love them. But this is just completely different and just as lovable, just different. The other washi tape, like the traditional washi tape, it won't stick to whatever you are putting it on real strong, but it's mostly like decorative. It's like, you know, if you just want to put a cute little closure on an envelope or something like that. I mean, if you use a fingernail to kind of like, you know, like scrub it down, it will hold a little bit better. But I could tell you this, don't put this anywhere that you don't want to stay closed because it's strong. It's really strong. And it looks lovely. And I mean, so you can still use this in a decorative fashion like she does. Like when she puts it on the front here, she's using it in a very decorative fashion, but it's not going anywhere. It's stuck like good. It's not coming off. So it's also like really good if you want to do a decorative type of design like that. Put it on the front of a box. It's not going anywhere. I just love it. And look at the fabrics that she used. It's fabric tape, by the way. And that's just super cute. Okay. So we got that. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. Okay. So she's got, get all the little tifrons off of there. She's got this all wrapped up. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's got more stuff up there. And this is her sticker sheet. I don't want to take it apart. It's so cute. Okay, I'm going to try to slide it out. Maybe I could slide it back on for like holding it until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so here's her stickers. Very nice. And then she has her little cards. And she always gives us one envelope that we can use. And here are the cards. This one says, thank you. And it's got the honeycomb on the back. This one says, be brave, be kind, be a friend. I love that. You guys, that is just so cute. Honeycombs on the back of that too. Be happy, be kind, be humble. It says, choosing to look for the positive does not diminish the chaos of your life, but rather it's a whisper deep inside your heart, a promise. A promise. Today I choose a heart full of joy. I just love that. And this one says, a day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside. Winnie the Pooh. I don't know where she gets this stuff, but it's adorable. I love it. This says, I love you, I love me, I love us. That's so cute. I think that's the last one. Nope. In committing to happiness, my heart swells with courage to find glowing moments of contentment amid the darkness. And that must be the last one. Yeah. There you go. Very cute. Oh my goodness, I'm looking inside and I'm like really happy. She has given us, I love these. I put them everywhere. A little flag, a little fabric flag. Some people might think it's silly. You guys, this just makes me happy. It does. I can't deny it, and I'm not going to apologize for it. I love these things. And look at this guy. It's a little bee on a stick. He's got a little tie around it. I just love it. I'm going to keep that right on there too. I made it really tight. Don't come off. Oh my goodness. You guys, how can you see these things and get all of this stuff and not be happy? This is like, it's like a little gift to myself every month. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. And then she gave me two little, well, there's like little papers stuck in it, but the little bit of honeys. Who doesn't love bit of honeys? Well, I guess somebody may not like them, but I like them. I think they're really great. I can't wait to eat them. And that's it. You guys, look. Sparkly. It's got, can you tell that it's iridescent? I love it. Okay, so there you go. That's my Joy with Julie. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. I do have a link in the description box if you'd like to go check it out, see if it's something that you'd like to do. And I'll see you guys next month. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.